find the derivative using chain rule. So I have a given. So meron tayong formula how to find y prime or derivative is equals to n times u raised to n minus 1 times du over dx. So, i-present natin that u is equals to x squared plus 3. So, ibig sabihin yung du over dx is equals to derivative of x squared plus 3, that is equals to 2x. And you have n u raised to n minus 1, that's power formula. We have n is equals to 2, so we have 2, this one is 2, times u raised to n minus 1, we have 2 minus 1. So, and then we're going to substitute 2 multiply u is equals to x squared plus 3, x squared plus 3, then raised to 1, 2 minus 1, that is raised to 1. And then let's simplify, that is equals to, distribute this 1 and this 1, you have 2 x squared plus 6. So 2x squared plus 6, meaning we have this one, this one, and times u raised to n minus 1, we have this one. So let's say that is 2x squared plus 6, and then du over dx, we have du over dx, we have 2x multiplied by 2x. So let's distribute 2x squared times 2x, we have 4x cubed, and then this one plus 2x times 6, you have 12x. So this is the derivative of this function using chain rule. Okay, let's check. If I'm going to distribute this using the point method, so it would be x squared plus 3 multiplied by x squared plus 3. So let's distribute. X squared multiplied by x squared is equals to x raised to 4, and then this one, x1, x squared times 3 is plus 3x squared, and then 3 times the x squared, you have 3x squared, and then 3 times 3 plus 9, and then you add, bring down x raised to 4, 3x squared plus 3x squared, we have 6x squared plus 9. So in this case, pwede din natin kunin yung derivative ng x raised to 4, 6x squared plus 9, di ba? Individually, kinuha natin yung derivative niyan. And the derivative of that is equals, derivative of x raised to 4 is equals to 4x cubed using power formula. And then this one plus, using again power formula, 2 times 6, you have 12x, 2 minus 1, that is 1. So you have the derivative 4x cubed plus 12x using the standard other rules for differentiation. So they are the same. Okay, let's have another problem. Say y is equals to x plus 5 raised to 3. So say u is equals to x plus 5 du over dx is equals to 1. So derivative of x is equals to 1. So we have our formula using chain rule. We have n times u raised to n minus 1 multiplied by du over dx. So in this case, yung ating n is equals to 3. Where n is equals to 3. So let's substitute. N is 3. And u is equals to x plus 5. X plus 5. N minus 1. 3 minus 1 multiplied by du over dx. 1. So let's simplify. 3x plus 5, 3 minus 1, 2, multiplied by 1. So the final answer for this one is 3 times quantity x plus 5 squared. So let's check. So x plus 5 cubed. So how are we going to expand this one? So let's use the longer one. Let's start with x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. So distribute x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 5 times 5, 25. You have x squared plus 10x plus 25. And then you're going to distribute again. So we're not going to use binomial expansion. So let's use distribution. So again, we have x plus 5 multiplied by this trinomial x squared plus 10x plus 25. And then distribute x cubed x1 is plus 10x squared x1 is plus 25x. And 5 naman, we have 5x squared, and then 5 times 10x, you have 50x, and then 5 times we have 75, and then we add, bring down x cubed plus 15 x squared plus 75 x plus 75. So separately or individually, we are going to find the derivative of this using power rule. Derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, diba? 2 minus 1, that's 3. Derivative of this, that is 30x, 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 75 plus 0. So this is the derivative of this one. So are they the same? So di pa natin alam. So check nga natin, expand natin to, what will happen if they will be the same. So x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. Nakita naman natin dito, the output nito is this one. So you have 3 multiplied by this one, x squared plus 10x plus 25. You have distribute this 3, that is equals to 3x squared plus 30x plus 75. So are they the same? Yes, they are the same. 3x squared, 30x plus 75. So using chain rule, the answer will be this one. 3x squared plus 30x plus 75. Okay, Let's try another one. Y is equals to the square root of x plus 1. So I'm going to rewrite this given. Y is equals to x plus 1 raised to 1 half. So what is u? That is x plus 1 du over dx is equals to 1. Derivative of x is equals to 1. Then let's find the derivative. So y prime is the derivative is equals to the formula is n times u raised to n minus 1 multiplied by du over dx. So now we have n will be equals to 1 half. Ito yun. So 1 half. And u is x plus 1. N minus 1, n is 1 half. Minus 1. So 1 is also the same as 2 divided by 2. Para magkapareno agad yung denominator. So immediately we can subtract the numerator. So multiply by du over dx, we have 1. And then simplify 1 half x plus 1. 1 half minus 2 over 2, you have negative 1 half. Multiply by 1, that is equals to the same value. Now, let's rewrite this negative 1 half. So we have your 2 at the denominator. May 1 sa numerator is 1. And then itong quantity na to mapunta sa baba para maging positive yung negative na exponent. We have x plus 1 raised to 1 half. And then let's rewrite. We have 1 over 2, since 1 half means that's the square root of x plus 1. So this is the derivative of the square root of x plus 1. Okay, that's all for chain rule if you're going to find the derivative.